Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to upload model materials. Let's try it together. Step 1. Upload model materials. There are two ways to operate. Method 1. Enter the workspace, select Models, Textures. Then click Upload Image in the upper right corner. Note, there are two ways to create new materials. Generate real-time material or upload material images by yourself in the required format. Method 2. Enter the Design tool. Select Advanced tool, Kitchen and Bath or Closet, to enter the customization interface. Select the personal catalog in the left column. Then click Upload at the top and click Upload at the bottom again. Then follow the operation process of Method 1 to upload the materials. Step 2. View uploaded model materials. After the material is successfully uploaded, enter Kitchen and Bath or Closet. Select Personal Catalog, Upload. Then you can see the uploaded materials. Step 3. Replace uploaded model materials. There are two ways to operate. Method 1. Direct drag the uploaded model material out to quickly replace the customized cabinet. Method 2. Click on the custom cabinet, select the style, body material, upload it in the right parameter panel, and click on the uploaded model material. The material has been replaced successfully. That's all. Thanks for watching.